You're about to witness a shift most business owners are still sleeping on. And the crazy part? It's already happening behind their backs. Quietly. Relentlessly. And faster than anyone expected. Today's topic isn't AI will change things someday. It's AI has already started rewriting the rules. And if you don't adjust now, you might not have a business to adjust later. Before we dive in, watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Let me open with a question most people avoid. If AI becomes a better marketer than you, a faster operator than you, a smarter analyst than you, then what's left for you to compete with? Your creativity? Your experience? Your grit? Maybe. But is that enough against a machine that never sleeps? Let's pressure test this idea. Imagine your competitor fires half their team and replaces them with AI agents. Their cost drops by 80%. Their speed triples. Their output becomes inhumanly consistent. And you? You're still relying on manual work. Who wins that fight? And no, this isn't sci-fi. It's already happening inside startups. Inside solopreneur businesses. Inside billion-dollar companies. The real disruption isn't that AI does tasks. It's that AI does roles. Entire roles. Marketing teams. Editing teams. Support teams. Research teams. Whole frameworks evaporating in real time. That's why today, I'm giving you the underground view of what's really unfolding. Not hype. Not theory. Reality. And it starts with the misconception that AI helps businesses. No, AI replaces the weak ones and supercharges the strong ones. So let's break down the shift through 3 brutal truths. Truth 1. Businesses that can't adapt to automation won't survive the decade. AI won't kill them. Their refusal to evolve will. Think about Blockbuster. Think about Nokia. Think about Kodak. Every era has its casualties. This one is no different. Truth 2. The businesses that win won't be the ones with the best product. They'll be the ones with the best AI workflow. That's the new competitive advantage. Not branding. Not size. Not legacy. Workflow. Truth 3. If you learn AI faster than your industry, you gain a 5-year advantage instantly. A cheat code nobody talks about. Because everyone is busy trying tools, instead of learning systems. And that's exactly what separates winners from noise. Let's go deeper. Business used to reward execution. Now it rewards automation. Execution is manual. Automation is exponential. And exponential always beats linear. Want a brutal example? AI copywriters now write 100 emails in 8 minutes. Not drafts. Finished emails. Optimized. Segmented. Personalized. Delivered. A human simply can't compete with that speed. Or that data. Or that precision. And people still think AI is a tool. It's not a tool. It's an employee. A team member. A department. A business partner that doesn't get tired. Let me hit you with a simple trick to open your mind. What if your next hire wasn't a person? What if it was an AI system that runs tasks end to end? Researches your competitors. Builds your pitches. Creates your ads. Edits your videos. Manages your email list. And handles your customer support. That's the direction the world is moving. And nobody is ready. Now here's the strategic question. If AI is becoming the new workforce, what skills should humans focus on? Simple. The ones AI can't replicate. Judgment. Taste. Strategy. vision. But even those, AI is starting to push against. So the real advantage becomes combining human instincts with AI scale. That hybrid is unstoppable. And you can build it right now. If you want an edge, don't ask, which tool should I use? Ask, which workflow can I automate today? That's how you pull ahead. Most businesses wait. Smart businesses implement. And the elite? They anticipate. You need to be in that third category. Because the next 12 months won't reward the lazy, or the comfortable, or the traditional. AI doesn't care about your habits. It cares about efficiency. And it's rewriting everything around that principle. Marketing, automated. Sales, automated. Operations, automated. Editing, automated. Customer acquisition, automated. Even creativity is getting automated. And the people who say, AI can't be creative, haven't seen what it's doing this year. Or next year. Or the year after. You're watching the birth of a world where ideas scale instantly. Where content multiplies instantly. Where businesses grow faster than teams can keep up. And that gap widens every day. So here's your reminder. Like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because I break this down weekly. And trust me, you don't want to fall behind. Now, back to the shift. Entire business models will collapse. Entire industries will compress. Entire workforces will be restructured. Not because of fear, but because of efficiency. The companies that adopt AI early will crush the ones that delay. And that's not an opinion. That's math. Speed plus automation greater than tradition plus human-only effort. Every time. So let me give you a scenario. 2 businesses start today. Business A hires a team of 10. Business B hires AI agents and 1 operator. Business A spends $20,000 plus monthly on labor. Business B spends $400. Business A moves slow. Business B moves at machine speed. Who survives? Who scales? Who dominates? The equation is obvious. And yet people refuse to accept it. They're still comfortable. Still slow. Still resisting. That's why the opportunity is so massive. Because most competitors won't evolve. And that gives you space. Space to get ahead. Space to build. Space to win. So here's your immediate action plan. Step 1. Automate 1 task today. Step 2. Build 1 AI workflow this week. Step 3. Replace 1 week process this month. Step 4. Scale what works. That's the formula. Simple. Repeatable. Exponential. And now, as promised, let's talk about the tool that made me $100. It wasn't flashy. It wasn't viral. It wasn't cool, it was efficient. It automated outreach. It personalized emails at scale. It found leads faster than any human could. And it converted within hours. That's the power of AI workflows. Not hype. Systems. Systems that print results quietly. Systems that replace manual grind. Systems that let you build faster, smarter, and cheaper. And if you're serious, you'll start today. Because the window is shrinking. Early adopters win. Late adopters chase. And some never catch up. Before we wrap, if you want more breakdowns like this, more tools, more strategy, more AI workflows, hit subscribe and click the bell button. I drop these AI money-making tools every week. And if you want to stay ahead, don't wait. Don't hesitate. Don't fall behind. Adopt fast. Execute harder. Scale smarter. Because business won't look the same next year. Or even next month. You're living in the fastest transformation in history. And the people who act now will own the next decade. So commit. Build. Adapt. Win.